So for in church biana yamubia kwa Fambra Madiba official no so na as usual say the biamunda no so on subscribe Emeka Madiba busia kono ho a na wa subscribe to the channel no the answer obo mia that subscription button no umia so obo sa doma beba no wa mia adoma no so na say any new video bi atom kukro na onsan atimi aka o subscribe no na wo like video no o like area no aja comment or the comment box no so sane ba ebetimi akenkan di amam na o share video no so na ama onua bi enso anya bi are se de bia muni dada no se bi o mpefo ebu bi se o focus on mo epedodo na yen etiasefo nti Madiba ya da so srese mbehye se de be ya video no ebe ko pp nipa koko nsem na so bibia nsem na obibia enso atimi anya bi awene ya be the European Championship qualifiers na koso no na ya de amani bi enei wamo enai ba ko AC the championship na bi nso ehwese ombetimi qualify ndra Belgium etimi eye no klem egopie mu ewo my friend Scotland omo ehim crew Hampden Park omo etimi echi Scotland en nani omo kana ya omo antimi da bracket ni Belgium for kama so ma qualifier ne sa ndra da no so group C no ho na asem no because na Germany ejna kono Netherlands ejna kono Netherlands etimi share Estonia by 4-0. Memphis Depay as usual Brandon on a splendid best to team Eboye provided about 2 assists and also 1 goal apiece to Netherlands for winning by 4-0 and they go PM Ogusina yeah the Netherlands for just 3 points adrift of the tabletop that's Northern Ireland any on my IFN says Germany and rap or many game so Germany winning by 2-0. Marcel Halstenberg and they share the first goal at the MMI defense Germany and Sana 90th plus 2 minutes Benjamin Sergei Gnabry Eddie the winner now and I said the second goal AP so at the Ama on my eye defense Germany today the Diamond Shaft and the group C no almost 12 points Northern Ireland and 12 points Netherlands 9 points Netherlands for 1 match and Sheffield meeting was almost every year means that group C team I 12 points on the man and they omunya just 2 teams but now my team qualify go PM into the championship this a group it will go down into the wire where there are groups in parent I don't think say mom predict say before this time no they are not the Netherlands for drum into the party no be the Netherlands any Germany for the question in the group C, it has been a very enterprising group and also interesting group. I think say until the last days, a team be able to make between those 3 teams. Moving on now may they room into today's game. A bone of contention, and then I say because teams need be as pray so make me qualify and me PM or the group A now they are toss into the group H. Group A on my IFS England or more 9 points, Kosovo 8 points, and the 2 teams Koshia and the 3 Lions will be any moment. Yeah, kind of qualifiers there any botching will be as a matter of fact last European Championship qualifiers or every need their 10 matches on all the 10 qualifying matches or more and lose even a single one. Neither did they draw even a single one. All they did was to win. And they in their group they played 3 matches. Oma pick possible 9 points. Or match of 14 goals against Czech Republic. Or match on by 5-0. Samson against Montenegro 5-0. Or more actually my friend Bulgaria and another on by 4-0. On consider just 1. It means in 3 matches, scoring 14 goals and I consider on an average, almost share more than 4 goals per each and every game ever. And they again Kosovo, where Kosovo the kind of football they are come any kind matter of fact, ever joined FIFA in 2016 and then my and from bets over record so. From there on, it has been superb since 2017. Kosovo for lose any game now, as a matter of fact, in that run, almost 15 matches, and those 15 matches, almost I really 10. I draw 5. It tells you that impeccable record no mukrano. The UEFA Nations League in their group. Etopo group and this time around in the group England their first 2 games board draw. From there on, actually say pija winning their games. Come ever share England. England Wembley. I want to say game ask yourself, say, would they be able to spring that surprise, and do they have the men to do so? And over key players now. Talk of Besant Selena from the Academy of Man City, and there was Swansea City, Arianet Murich, Abrantiano, Man City goalkeeper on loan, and we see a kind Eddie Emma Bobuku, your friend say, we see a kind of Bobuku, IFN Nottingham Forest, the English Championship. Into all these players, no see a kind Eddie Emma Bobuku, your friend say. My friend said, it will be an interesting game to watch. So, any idea over England record now a very impressive medical area too many. So this will be a game and the Trail Lions will win. But AB and that resounding scorelines now. Almost 18 epic against teams BS Czech Republic and Bulgaria and Montenegro. But this a game that the Trail Lions will be able to sail through and win. Now go into the group B. Any idea? Very interestingly, the UEFA Nations League champions, the defending champions of the European Championship, Portugal, and they just 5 points group from possible 9 points, 5 points. Ukraine, Andrei Shevchenko. On any mind, it was some 13 points. Or more at group him. Sanso any idea Luxembourg. 4 points. Enna Denmark. And I said Serbia. And 4 points. Or more. It tells you the gravity of the task Portugal for a womb in order for them to qualify. And they against Lithuania. Or more and that's to one this group. And the group B. The other self said, can they do it? And Anamukoye Kolem, Eddie Emma Serbia, Asian by 4 goals to Cristiano Ronaldo once again was on target, scoring some 89 goals for Omaya Fenese Portugal. A Brenton starts here. You can see a kind of 1 way and the show no creating envy. Into your Brenton record of the Eba and Nanwa against Serbia. They had the gas to rest players like Joe Felix, players like Ruben Neves, players like Joe Martino. It tells you the pool of talent Portugal Ekura and the Gonzalo Guedes at that game against Serbia or she go at the Mama FS Portugal and they Abranten Besans up into the take of affairs in this game against my IFN Lithuania. But Lithuania, as good as they or as best as they may try in this game, there's no way they can stand the might of Portugal. Although say this is a game that will not be able to extend the goals. Moving on. Still on the same group, Serbia ends all 4 points. Oba against Luxembourg. Luxembourg all the same 4 points. Serbia team and they Oko European football play. Lastly, all group H, a idea of my friends of France or more and world champions, and in their group or more face a daunting task because in their group 3 teams L 12 points. Turkey L 12, Iceland L 12 points and France airborne against Andorra, Turkey airborne against Moldova, and on my IFS Iceland, and so Albania airborne. You ask yourself, say, will France will France be able to sail through? And also, imagine say, group quasi. I don't think say that vet meeting at the end. Despite the fact say lose players like N'Golo Kante Muina or MS in their food Paul Pogba anyone, but what they showed against Albania it tells you say France now their pool of talent Bru Obiaso or the European football currently. They all lose player like Pogba, all lose player like N'Golo Kante. Now in the med for Onya Quarantine to Lusomo, and Blaise Matuidi and Elbow, Antoine Griezmann Elbow anymore, who play like Kingsley Coman or Edouard. It tells you say France at times those Arsenals now making each and everything. And to end that game is a game a little bit tricky because France in recent year against those minutes at times they struggle to get the goals now. But this a game that I don't see France fortune is a game France beat me as sail through and Antoine Griezmann in their last game one team Anyagu, but I see him scoring a goal or two in this game. Olivier Giroud as usual was at his best against Albania. Brenton will do onto the ball. Brenton passing ball and other man colleagues or link up play. Bibiane superb and delight to watch. NTNA or players like Olivier Giroud with Sam Benyada in the other game. Not bench. I think that this game he might be able to get a run in the team. Turkey or Monso Aya, they were more call of the side now. It's made up of players and they or more making name for themselves. All be said or more Edin Ensha the MPJs. Talk of Cengiz on there of AS Roma. Talk of Mehmet Zeki Çelik of Los Lille Metropole. Omina Edas all their foot or more 38-year-old Emery Belozoglu and Edas Idomufifon ma Brante orchestrating when leadership qualities being be about one more. Sento soon Everton Edas Onamo Umut Bulut Mo Elfimbet Unse Burak Ilmazon. He's been there and around the team. Today is a tag team got that talent to call on from Iceland and so play like Gilbert Sigurdsson, Becky Bjarnason of Burnley Sigurdsson, Starman Edma Everton FIFA and money over this Iceland team. Now they compare Turkey team earlier on or share France by 2 goals to 0. So this is a group of France cannot afford to falter each and every mistake be Biano. Ever go in a long run to head to say that France 8 me against Turkey or Mulusu by 2 goals to 0. So this is a game that I see France sailing on through on a beer akonkai Eddie Amomunti engine we soon yemfa and show in fancy. You subscribe to the show. Memma ring fee. Nabeka Madiba Busia Kono saying cause the case of any video biano now on Saint Timiaka Madiba Busia Kono and so etimatre. All I can tell you for now is adios. Bye bye.